So what are we seeing here? If you look up rainbow flame demonstration, you'll see videos like this. I liked this by the slow-mo guys. They're just slowing it down. And they had a pretty good idea using it with a water bottle, spraying it in front of a flame. In the classroom though, that's a little bit dangerous. So I want everybody to think about the essential question this week. How is every particle of everything you know related to the formation of stars? And then we're going to talk about how this is related to that. In this clip there, spraying four different mixtures at once. One in each hand, and there's two of them. To me, when I look at this, it actually does kind of look like the surface of the sun. Even though the sun isn't really a ball of fire, like fire is on Earth. It's plasma. So what we saw in the previous clips was this. They're burning metal ions. So lithium burns red, sodium burns orange, boron burns, looks like a green and a little bit of yellow there. Copper burns bluish green. Potassium burns, looks like blue. So this relates because when we're looking at the periodic table of elements, sometimes it can seem, I think, kind of far removed from our real life. Here I'm trying to burn some copper. You can see the blue coming out there. And on the periodic table, we need most of these elements for basic survival. Last week we talked about the requirements for life, and elements or minerals, which are a lot of times elemental compounds, are needed for plant growth and development. And one interesting thing that I like connecting this flame test to, that's sodium chloride, so it should be burnt orange. The flame test reminds me of how our sun burns elements essentially and has a particular color. And we look at other stars through deep space telescopes, they burn different colors. So then what does that tell us about elements and how they're related to the stars?